Okay, we are going to start question number 6. The equation of the curve is 2x square minus kxy plus 2 is equal to 0, and the equation of line is y is equal to px plus 3, where k and p are the constants. Given that k is equals to 2 and p is equals to 11, find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the curve and the line. We know that to find the point of intersection, we need to solve the given equation simultaneously. So the given equation of the curve is 2x square minus kxy plus 2 equal to 0. And in this case, it is given that k is equals to 2. So the equation of the curve will be x square 2x square minus 2xy plus 2 equal to 0. And further solving, we will have x square minus xy plus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation 1, which is the equation of the curve when the k is equals to 2. Now, equation of the line, which is y is equal to p of x, px plus 3, and when we plug p is equals to 11, it will become y is equal to 11x plus 3. So this is equation 2. So we have two equations. One is the equation of curve and other one is the equation of line, and we need to find the point of intersection. So we will solve them simultaneously. So we will plug equation 2 in equation 1, plugging equation 2 in equation 1. So this will become x square minus xy, y means 11x plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0, and this will be equals to the x square minus 11x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have negative 10x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, and this will be equals to the 10x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula or by factorization. So in this case, negative 1 times 10 is equals to the negative 10 and plus 3. So we can say that 5 times negative 2 is equals to 10. So this equation becomes 10x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, taking 5x common, so it will be 2x plus 1, and taking negative 1 common, we will have 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this will be 5x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we have two factors, or so equating each factor with 0, we will have 5x minus 1 equal to 0, and on the other side we will have 2x minus plus 1 equal to 0. Solving further, we will have x is equal to 1 over 5. So this is the x coordinate, and for solving this equation, we will have x is equal to negative 1 over 2. So this is the second x coordinate. So plugging these x coordinate in the line equation to get the y coordinate. So y equals to 11x plus 3. First we plug x is equal to 1 over 5. So y is equals to 11 times 1 over 5 plus 3, and this will be equals to y is equal to 11 over 5 plus 3. So solving this, we will have y is equal to 26 over 5. On the other side, when we plug x is equal to negative half, so y will be equals to 11 times x, which is negative half plus 3, and this will be equals to the negative 11 over 2 plus 3, and this will be equals to negative 5 over 2. So we can say that for the x coordinate negative half, we have y coordinate negative 5 over 2. This is one intersecting point, and other one intersecting point for x is equal to 1 over 5 is 26 over 5. So these are two intersecting points. So we have calculated the required intersecting point. Now let's move to the part B. Part B, given in sheet that P is equals to 4, find the set of value of K for which the curve and line do not intersect. First we write the curve equation and the line equation. So curve equation is 2x square minus kxy plus 2 equal to 0. This is the curve equation, and line equation is y is equal to px plus 3. Okay, it is given that p is equals to 4. So p is equal to 4. So y is equals to 4x plus 3. And for what value of k the curve and line do not intersect? So first we plug this equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, plugging equation 1 in equation 2, we will have 2x square minus k x, y means 4x plus 3 and plus 2 equal to 0. Solving this one, we will have 2x square minus 4x squared k minus 3k x plus 2 equal to 0. So solving further, we will have 2 minus 4k x square minus 3k x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have the quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation will not have any real root if the discriminant is 0. So we can say that discriminant is less than 0, no real roots or no real values of x. So we know that discriminant should be less than 0, and we know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. And in this case, a is equals to 2 minus 4k, b is negative 3k, and c is 2. So plugging these values in the discriminant equation, we will have b square, which is negative 3k whole square, minus 4 times a, which is 4 times 2 minus 4k, times c, which is 2. And this one is less than 0. Solving this, we will have 9k square, minus solving this, we will have 16 and plus 32k less than 0, and this one is equal to 9k square plus 32k minus 16 less than 0. Okay, this is the inequality. We will find the value of k by using the quadratic formula. So k is equal to negative b, which is negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And in this case, b is 32. So negative 32 plus minus under root 32 square minus 4 times 9 times negative 16 over 2 times 9. So this will be equals to the negative 32 plus minus 1024 plus 576 over 18. Solving further, we will have negative 32 plus minus under root 1 under root 1600 over 18, and this will be negative 32 plus minus 40 over 18. So k is equals to negative 32 plus 40 over 18, and k is equals to negative 32 minus 40 over 18. K is equals to the, so in this case we will have 8 over 18, which is equals to the 4 over 9. And on the other side, k is equals to negative 72 over 18, and this one is equals to 4, negative 4. So we have the k, which is equal to negative 4 over positive 4 over 9, and k is equal to negative 4. So in this equality, k will be greater than negative 4 and less than 4 over 9. This is the range when the k discriminant is less than 0 and we will not find any real solution. So we can say that there will be no intersecting point. So no real solution means no intersecting point.